This is a 7.5-month-old heifer calf. She's out of a bull named Ferdinand. We actually kept 3 of his daughters last year. Both of these heifers are AI sired by Energize. It's mid-October. Our irrigation water's been shut off, and look at her. Well, we need some rain. Sorry, I had a fly buzzing me there. We're out on this dry land pasture now, and we still have a couple pastures stockpiled. Last year we grazed into January. This year I could see us maybe making it to mid-December, but we'll see. Hopefully we get some rain.